জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়
Will it be right to go there in this situation? Mom, I promise you, I'll come back home only after dropping her home, okay? Dad, I'm going in search of Trinity.
No. Where will you look for her?
I think she has gone to Mohanpur bus stand. I have never broken my promise made to someone. And I won't do it this time either. No matter how much fighting is going on, I'll find Trinity at any cost. I'll go to Mohanpur bus stand.
The situation has become so tense between the fight of two gangs. At Mohanpur bus stand, even police vehicles are not able to go in.
What was the news on TV? I think I heard the name Mohanpur bus stand.
What? No.
No. I don't think I misheard it.
You're unbelievable, Tapabrato. You've been talking about that place. That's why you imagined about it.
No, that's not possible. I want to be sure. Hurry up. Turn the TV on.
Look, you're getting excited for no reason. Nothing is going on.
Stop arguing with me and turn the TV on, Vicky.
Tapabrato heard it absolutely right. The news was about Mohanpur bus stand. If Tapabrato gets to know about it, he'll call Dripto and compel him to come back. Then Dripto won't be able to take her to the village. What do I do now? What do I do?
What happened? You can't change channels. Let me see what's happening. Oh, it was working fine a while ago.
You are watching it live from Mohanpur bus stand. The situation here is out of control. The police vehicles are not able to reach on the spot. The more the time is passing, the more the situation is getting worse. You are watching live news from Mohanpur bus stand.
Come on, let's go from here. Get up. Come on, hurry up. I am left alone here. They aren't letting the force enter. They are killing the people who are trying to come in. What do I do now? Why did you come here in this situation?
I didn't have a choice, Inspector.
Why?
Orders doesn't allow me to sit and do nothing after seeing someone in danger. Inspector, it will burn down. Your jeep will burn to ashes. Please don't go.
Don't be afraid, don't worry. Don't worry, I'm trying to get you out of here safely, okay? Don't worry, okay? Don't worry.
No, I can't go away.
Why?
Drupto will come here. I can't go now.
Hey, are you out of your mind? How will Dipto come here in this situation?
No. I know he will come here. I know. What is it?
Sanjukta, they were really saying something about Mohanpur bus stand on the television. I think there's a problem, you know. Listen, we can't turn on the television because of Tapabrato. Try and serve the news channel on your mobile phone.
Oh, okay. It's a good idea. Get the earphones
wait,
fast.
I'll get it. Here.
You are watching it live from Mohanpur bus stand. The situation here is out of control. The police vehicles are not able to reach on the spot. The more the time is passing, the more the situation is getting worse.
Vicky? It's true. The bus stand has become a battleground. Yes, the fight has become so violent that even police can't enter the place. I think our task will become easy now.
What do you mean?
I mean, if Trinayani is at the bus stand, then Deepu will surely go there. And
What? You said the police weren't able to get there. How will Dripto get there?
he will. Deepu will enter the bus stand because he has promised me. Yes. And if Deepu and Trinayani get stuck there together, neither of them will survive.
Right. I didn't think of this.
We'll get rid of both of them. And we don't have to do anything. I want the fight to get even worse. Listen, you do one thing. Make sure no one in this family gets to know this news. Do whatever is necessary for that.
I've already taken out the batteries from the remote control.
That's good. And do one more thing.
What?
I want you to keep Tapabrata engaged.
Oh no, Tapabrato, that man doesn't want to speak
That's
to me.
none of my business. It's your problem. Just go. Go.
Tapabrato, why are you getting so curious about an ordinary television program? Come, let's chat. Come.
Vicky, I don't have time to waste.
Tapabrato, I don't understand. Why are you always angry at me, huh? Why don't you realize the fact that I've been trying to be a part of this family from day one? Tapabrato, you've been misunderstanding me from day one. Why so? I don't want to harm this family. I'm trying to do what I can. Why don't you trust me? Why don't you try to understand? What's this? What's this? Who turned the television on?
I did. Father, the old batteries fell somewhere. I've put in new batteries.
Okay. Play
the news
please play
channel.
the news
Okay.
channel.
What do you mean by that? I have to look for them. The television won't work. I have to look for them.
Oh, look at this. It stopped working again. What? Why did it turn off?
I just put in new batteries in it.
I'm feeling restless. I have a strange foreboding, Rangna. I heard the name Mohanpur bus stand a while ago
Oh.
on TV.
Papa, come with me.
Mom?
Come to the prayer room.
What's the matter?
I am not able to light the prayer lamp for Trinayani's well-being.
What are you saying? Let's
Come,
go.
come
Let's go and see.
fast, Come.
Oh my, it's not working.
Thank goodness. They went away.
Come on. The police force is not here. Why have you come here? Is news more important than your life? Go away from here. Go. Go. Hey, wait. Listen. There's a narrow lane along the crematorium. You see that? If you go from there, you'll reach the main road. Our force is stuck there, okay? They'll help you. Go, 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 go.
Okay,
go,
sir. Okay.
go. Hey, why are you standing here? Go with them. Go. They'll drop you home, okay? Go.
I can't go, Inspector. I have to wait here for Dripto. You go. You go away from here. Please go from
Are
here.
you out of your mind, girl? Do you think I'll leave you in this situation and go? And how are you so sure that Dripto will come here? Tell me.
Did you see that? Look how the jeep is burning. Look. You didn't believe me and came here. There could have been a disaster.
For sure, I cannot disbelieve you now.
Look, what's happening? Lord knows what happened. Look, oh my, I wasn't able to light it. My grandson and Trinity. Now what will happen?
Even I'm not feeling good, Mom. We have been worried constantly what to do now. To top it all, I can't get through to Deepu. I have to go. Mom. I hope they didn't get into any trouble.
Where will you go at this time?
Deepu said he would go to Mohanpur bus stand to look for Trineni. I'm also going there. I think there is some problem there for sure. I heard the name of the place on television. Then suddenly TV is not working. Rangna tried to put it on so many times.
Really, Grandma? I put new batteries in the remote control, yet it isn't working. And the lamp for Dripto and my friend's well-being is also not lighting. What is happening, Grandma?
Will you give me a chance, Mother?
What chance?
If I can light the lamp.
You will light the lamp?
Yes, Grandma. Let Aunt Pratima try it. She can do it properly. Aunt Pratima has lit lamps for Dripto's well-being many times, and it has lit too. Mother couldn't light it, but Aunt lit it.
At least for the sake of the children, give me a chance.
Rangana, tell her. If her prayers protect Deepu and Trineni, then I will not stop her.
It lit, Grandma. The lamp has lit. Didn't I tell you that Aunt would light it? See? Father, now there is nothing to worry about. Now that the lamp has been lit, Dripto and Trineni won't be harmed at all.
Didn't I tell you, Mom, that you misunderstood Pratima? She chose this life because of her sorrow. But she is still the same person from within, Mom. The younger daughter-in-law of this family. She wishes good for this family every moment, Mom.
If you don't mind, can I ask you something, Mother? I don't know if you will ever understand me. But your misunderstanding about Trinani has been cleared. Am I right?
What do you mean by that?
You know what I mean, Mother. Had you been angry with her, would you have lit a lamp for her well-being? And would you have been so worried when the lamp didn't lit? Tell me, Mother. Am I right?
I have developed a soft corner for Trinani. Pratima has understood that. Oh no, I shouldn't have expressed my worries in front of them. No. No one should get to know that I have started liking her. Otherwise, everyone will ask me how my misunderstandings about Trinani have been cleared. Then I will be compelled to accept that Trinani is Deepu's protective shield. And then the girl will be in danger.
Mother, why are you quiet? Won't you answer my question?
No, I won't. I gave you permission to light the lamp. Don't think you got the right to ask me questions. Remember that. Don't cross your limits, Pratima. What will I think about whom? When will I get angry? When will I love them? I don't need to explain all this to you.
No, Mother. I'm not asking for an explanation. I can't dare to do that. I just...
Forget about all this now, Pratima. Rangna, please take mom to her room.
Brother, did I say anything wrong? Please make Mother understand. Tell her not to misunderstand me. I just want Mother to love Trinani. Had that girl got Mother's support in this house, then maybe... Mother, I have noticed that after coming back from the ashram, you were not letting Trinani leave. You wanted her to stay here. What happened, Mother? That your opinion on Trinani changed suddenly? Tell me.
Topo, ask her to stop. Ask her to stop. Pratima, you've become too audacious. That's why I never encouraged you. If I encourage you, you will cross your limits. Why are you asking so many questions? What's the need to ask me questions? Change your nature, Pratima. Change your nature. You are already facing problems. You'll add to your problems in the future.
Mom, listen to me, Mom.
Aunt Pratima, you got scolded for no reason.
I don't mind that, Rangana. Mother is an elderly person. But I am thinking about something else.
What is that?
I am sure Mother is hiding something from us. That is why she got angry suddenly.
You are right. The moment you mentioned the Guru's ashram, Grandma got angry. I think Grandma has started liking my friend, and that is why she's hiding from us.
I also think the same. I have noticed that suddenly Mother's behavior towards Srinani has changed. But what is the problem if we know or understand that? What is Mother trying to hide?
Go away, Inspector, go away!
I cannot leave you here in this situation and go.
I don't have an option, Inspector, otherwise I would have gone.
I don't have an option either.
Why don't you have an option?
Firstly, as long as I am wearing this police uniform right now, I cannot leave a civilian alone in such a situation. Secondly, I'm not ungrateful. You have saved my life. I cannot leave you here in trouble and go. Yes, hello. Tell me what's the matter. How long will it take? Take your force and stop them. If you have to fire the guns, then go on. I won't tolerate this state of anarchy, okay? Quick! Tell me when will you come in, all right? Okay, okay.